Hello everyone, welcome to Doodle Garden. Today's alphabet adventure is all about the mysterious letter V. And tonight we are meeting a friendly vampire, a little creature of the night that many of our friends have been asking for just in time for Halloween. So grab your pencils, get ready for some spectacular fun, and let's bring our vampire to life step by step. Now this drawing is a bit more advanced, so it needs a little extra attention to detail to capture the spirit of this spooky season. Let's start by sketching out the head shape. Take your time and follow along carefully as we build our vampire's friendly face. Next, let's move on to our vampire's outfit. He has dressed in his fancy suit and flowing cape for the occasion. We'll start right at the top with his little bow tie. Then sketch the top part of the cape. Now, draw the chest area of his suit. And here is the part of the cape wrapping nicely around his shoulders. Add his legs next, keeping them slightly apart for a dramatic pose. Then, let's draw his hands. Now add the rest of the cape flowing behind him, with a few curvy lines to show it gently waving in the night breeze. Finally, draw his shiny shoes. As you know, every vampire needs to look sharp even at night. Now that our sketch is ready, let's carefully outline it with a black marker to make everything stand out. Time to bring our vampire to life with some color magic. Let's have fun! I'm using black and gray for his hair, suit and cape, and a touch of red for his bow and inner cape. Perfect for that classic vampire look. But remember, you can always use your imagination. Maybe purple, blue, or even gold if you want your vampire to have a magical twist. Make it your own and have fun with it. Our vampire loves his velvet cape and dramatic entrances. Perfect for a V rhyme. V is for vampire, velvet and vain. Visiting friends on Halloween again? With a vivid cape and a voice that goes woo! He vanishes fast, but not before you. Velvety shadows, a violet sky, vibrant stars are twinkling high. A very spooky, vibrant scene. That's the magic of letter V on Halloween. I like these red pupils. They make his gaze look mysteriously fun. Here is our vampire, out at night, with glowing eyes that shine so bright. He doesn't scare, he just says boo and waves his cape to welcome you. He loves the moon, the stars, the sky. He swoops and soars as bats fly by. No tricks, no fright, he is full of charm. Our friendly vampire means no harm. So if you see him, don't take flight. He is here for fun this Halloween night. That's our spooky letter V for vampire. He is dashing, mysterious, and ready for a Halloween night. Keep your pencils sharp and your imagination wild, and join us for more fun alphabet adventures that the whole family can enjoy. But don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.